Hello students, myself is Mrs. Neetu Gupta, Computer Faculty, Government Model Senior Secondary School, Phase 3B1 Mohali. Today we are going to discuss our class 12th chapter 5 Artificial Intelligence and Expert System, and the topic is which we are going to discuss, that is Introduction to AI. AI means A means artificial, I means intelligence, and what is the artificial intelligence. These two topics like introduction to AI and what is artificial intelligence, which we are going to discuss. Now let's start. So let's start. Artificial intelligence. We are also say it's in short form, that is AI. A means artificial and I means intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that deals with the development of algorithms and techniques that can simulate or even recreate the capabilities of human mind. It means it works just like human mind. Man is using machines for his work for a long time, and he has always desired that machine should do the more work and should be more intelligent. Artificial intelligence is a step in this direction. Artificial intelligence is a software technology which is used to make machines and computers more intelligent. So this is coined up from two different words, that is artificial plus intelligence. Artificial means it's said to be man-made, and intelligence is the capacity and ability to apply it to practice. It's an ability to learn and comprehend. AI is a machine created by man to make life easy and comfortable, and we all want our life easy and comfortable. So artificial intelligence is a process of making intelligence artificially. An AI is a computer system that is able to perform tasks that is ordinarily required human intelligence. Every work, any work which require human intelligence is can be performed by the artificial intelligence. These artificial intelligence systems are powered by machine learning. Many of them are powered by machine learning. Some of them are powered by specifically deep learning. Some of them are powered by very boring things like just rules. Artificial intelligence is the ability of the computer or other machines to perform actions throughout the thought to require intelligence. Among these actions are logical deduction and inference, make decisions on past experience, solve problems with the sufficient or conflicting information, and artificial vision. AI is frequently used to improve solutions and attack problems that may not be solvable using the standard method. Or we can say that we can solve any problem with artificial intelligence which require human brain, because artificial intelligence works like human brain.
Exactly is artificial intelligence. We speak of AI when computer systems perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. This includes, for example, recognizing images, making decisions, or engaging in dialogue. To do this, the AI systems must be equipped with knowledge and experience. This can be achieved in two ways. You can program each individual instruction so that the machines solve the task step by step. This is comparable to a cooking recipe or assembly instructions.
This technology had totally altered the 21st century, and we all need artificial intelligence in today's life. Simulate the intelligence can be piece of our regular life, and that is the reason why it is so important and significant. And another thing, that is John McCarthy is known as a father of AI. Artificial intelligence mean making machines more intelligent. It includes subjects like computer science, natural science, processing, mathematics, psychology, neuroscience, and data science. And some examples of artificial intelligence, we can say that spam filter in email accounts, Google site links, predictive text, smart cars, drone system, and Alexa. These are all the examples of artificial intelligence. I hope you understood the topic. Thank you so much, children.